Welcome to our channel. So ngayon, meron kaming summer adventure. We're going to Sipalay! Don't let him
Jump.
Kami.
Ой.
Guys, kasi meron.
Во дворе наш.
Mag-adventure kami sa Sipalay. Short vacation. Kasama yung kapatid ko, si Mia, Yuri, ako, at saka si Dimitri. Alright, let's go to our adventure mini holiday.
Let's go!
Look, baby Mia is sleeping here now. And Kuya is not sleepy yet. So, dito kami sa gas station. Nag-CR muna si Dimitri. Nagpag-gas kami ng full tank. Grabe, mahal ang gasolina. And si Mia nagising na, oh. Snack siya ng apple.
95 песо за литр. Коротенькая остановочка. Мия хочет пуп-пуп. Как-как. Юрч хочет пись-пись.
2,707.
I'll give 3,000. Your first time here? Yeah.
Lagi ka. Yeah, we arrived after 4 hours of travel, guys. Nandito na kami sa Sipalay. Sipalay! So, ito yung Sugar Beach. Dito sa Sipalay, Negros Occidental. Libre lang tong beach na to, walang entrance fee. And then marami ditong mga kainan dyan. Nag-order na kami ng pang-lunch namin. Nandun si Dimitri at saka si Yuri. And pwede din dito kumain, oh. Mas maganda dito pag dinner siguro, sunset, maganda. And mamaya, punta tayo sa Airbnb. Magkakain lang kami first ng lunch. And then diretso sa Airbnb namin. And si Mia, oh. Napakahilig talaga sa buhangin ng bata. Alright, time to eat. Nag-order kami ng Blue Marlin Tinola, shrimp, buttered shrimp, bangus sisig, and si Yuri nag-order ng pizza. Masarap yung mga food nila. Highly recommended tong na to. Itiri pa to, tawag na to? Mickens, here sa center ng Sipalay. Ubos ang food. Ito, ang sarap ng bangus sisig. Yung buttered shrimp lang nila, parang hindi fresh. So, hindi namin naubos. Pero yung tinola, guys, grabe. Ang sarap ng Blue Marlin Tinola. Ang sarap ng sabaw. Gusto kong dalhin to. Baby girl Mia. Gusto daw niya siya. Maglalakad siya, oh. Lakad-lakad kami kaunti dito sa beach.
Start to be hot.
Papa, family picture sa amin.
Sipalay!
Punta na kami sa Airbnb namin. Mga 36 minutes from here. Ang mura ng mangga nila dito, guys. Yung mangga na tuod ba yun or carabao. Masarap na mangga, matamis. Tag 80 per kilo lang. Dun sa amin sa Darwin, nasa 180 or 170 per kilo siya. Dito mga lang, 80 per kilo. Imagine niyo yun ang mura. So, I think, bibili ako dito ng mga mangga. Pauwi, pag pauwi na kami. Okay, let's go. We arrive at our Airbnb. It's on top of the hill. Oh, this is the stairs going to our Airbnb. It's very hilly. It's also kind of like in our place also hilly, but this is way more hilly than our place. Whew. Look at that. That's our Airbnb over there. In the middle of a hill. So here it is. Whew. It's very hilly. But look at the view, guys. Wow. $1 million view. Wow. So beautiful. With a view of fish ponds, farm. Beautiful view. We just have to be very careful here because we have kids. But it's okay. The area is close. Yeah? It's good. The area is close. Set. So here is the bathroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. What a view. Look at the view of the bathroom. Wow. This is the bathroom's view. Beautiful. Ooh. Shower here. Wow. It's the second floor. That's where our room is. Let's go. Gunitin ang mga bata. Hold the kids. Wow. It's amazing. It's wow. So here is it. TV, my wash area. Wow, ang ganda ng view talaga. Table. Mia is so excited, so happy, girl. Buhi siya ni dito nin.
Just small mattress.
Bed. Unsay naa dito? Okay, excited po kayo siya mag-explore. Si Mia excited mag-explore. Wow! Grabe, ang ganda ng view dito, guys. So, pwede kaming pumunta sa beach, then sa baba yung daanan, then shortcut doon. Malapit lang ang beach. Pwede tayong manguha ng shells dyan. Magluto ng shells. Mag-seafood. Manguha tayo ng seafood. Ay, oh, ang daming nanguha ng mga shells. Forage. They're foraging shells. Seafood. So this is our room.
Do you have water somewhere?
Maybe here. Ah, dali! Ayun ni Mia, naiwan ko siya. Dali! Sorry lang, go. Sorry. Hindi naman nabiyaan, mama. It's fine lang, go. Gisipon, ang bisan trapon yan, be. Is that? Nainitan si Mia. Medyo mainit. Look at that. There is a beautiful sunset. It's 5:30. There's a dog. Look at the dog. Mia. So, punta kami sa beach, guys. Nandun yung ano namin, oh. Airbnb namin. Di ba, nasa tuktok talaga siya ng hill. And dito ang daanan papunta sa beach. Ayan, nandito na kami sa beach. Ang daming basura dito. Hindi siya malinis na beach. Siguro dahil ano to, pang fishing area siguro to dito. Kanina, madami nanguha ng mga seashells. Let's go there. Oh, there are a lot. Oh my gosh, ang daming basura, daming plastic. Baka makita tayo ng shells and crabs. Parang wala. Pero malinis siya tingnan. From there, yun yung Airbnb namin. Malinis siya tingnan yung beach. Yung mga plastic. Pero, well, ganyan talaga. Hindi lahat ng beach sa Pilipinas malinis at maganda. May mga area din talaga na ganito.
Wait.
Is it stinky here? It's kind of stinky here, yeah? Is that your slipper?
Just my also.
It's somebody's slipper. It's seaweed and some trash.
Here.
Yeah. There's one more. Kuya, let's go. And there's a lot more dog's shit here.
Доброе утро.
Manghipos na ta kay mo ato ta sa swimming pool. Yay! Can you say yay? Your hands up, your hands. Yay! Yay! Ganun, kuha na siya nin. Manghipos na ta kay mo ato ta sa swimming pool. Yay! She is camera shy. Yay! What's that? Shells. So, and actually dito guys, hindi rin masyadong comfortable pag may mga bata kasi hili talaga ang lugar. So hindi masyadong nakakapaglaro ang mga bata, lalo na pag may mga anak kayong makukulit na gustong maglaro-laro, magtakbo-takbo. Hindi siya ideal, but for couple, very ideal siya for couple. Actually, hindi namin alam na hindi pala siya ideal for kids. At si Dimitri kasi ang nagpabook and akala niya hindi to sa hill. Anyway, we enjoyed our stay. Here. Malamig naman kagabi. And comfortable naman dito sa loob higaan. And very nice experience siya sa amin. Very unique Airbnb so far na nastehan namin. Let's go, mag-breakfast muna kami. And after that, we're gonna go to Nabulao na. Sa Hinubaan Occidental siya, Negros Occidental. Alright, so ito na ang breakfast namin. Nag-order kami ng marami. Actually, in-order namin is tinola lang sana at saka itong talong at yung American breakfast ni Dimitri, but for some reason bakit may grilled fish dito, but anyway, it's okay. Meron lang miscommunication, but it's fine because hindi din kami nag-dinner kahapon, so gutom kami.
I haven't eaten yet for breakfast. Grilled fish.
Sinigang. That's how
And sinigang also.
That's how we eat. That's how Filipino eat. We don't eat like that bread. It's just for snack. For us, it's just for snack. This is the real breakfast. Rice is power.
It's like super luncheon.
Lizard. A big lizard. There's a big lizard. Ang daming iguana. Nakakita kami ng malalaking iguana dito, guys. Ang dami nilang iguana dito. Protected yung iguana nila dito. Ibid ang tawag sa Bisaya. Ayun. Oh, asa yun? Umakyat. May mga babies, may mga malalaki. Nandito kami sa Perth Paradise Resort sa Sipalay pa rin to. Kasi we decided na magpunta muna dito bago pumunta dun sa aming next na istehan. Ang ganda ng lagoon view, oh. Pwede mag-walk dito. Let's go, let's walk. Let's go. Wow, ang ganda. Wow, nice. Beautiful lagoon with ang ganda ng view. Very beautiful view. They have a floating cottage here. You can swim here and do kayaking. Wow, you can do snorkeling here as well. Sige, makakayak ka dire. Pwede mag-kayaking dito.
Maswimming dito.
Yeah. Ano si Yuri? Yuri said, maswimming dito. Maswimming dito. Nagtagalog to din si Yuri. Ito nakalagay no swimming dahil maraming urchin. Sea urchin. Pero pwedeng mag-kayak, mag-relax. Pictures ata and then matutas gawas. Wow. Sa view. Ang ganda na ng view dito. Kami daw ang first guest na dumating. So, may enjoy namin ang place. Picture kami. Well, wala pang maraming tao. Last time namin punta dito is, so, ang daming tao nun. And sobrang init. Ngayon, maaga kami. O kaya lang nakakapagod yung maglakad sa pataas. Nakakapagod.
Morning. Change. Мичка.
First swim. Did you like swimming here? It's fun here, right?
Кенгурушечкинс.
Or it's Papa and baby.
Листы подходят. А, да, Мичка, накупалась. Куяшечка тоже, Юрочка, накупался. Устал.
Right, they will do kayaking. Papa and Kuya first. I mean, we will do kayaking. Alright, the boys will go now. Kuya! Have fun, boys! They're gonna go now. They're gonna go around the lagoon. 11:15 now. Yeah, kayak time with baby girl. Si Mia naman ang sakay namin. Dito lang kami malapit. Don't go far, Papa, just here.
It's actually now faster than Viziere
So cute.
because more balanced.
Baby sis likes it. Yeah, it's
easier
kind of
now.
hot. We'll go back right away. Just shoot. Not go down. Now she wants to swim. Now she wants to go down and swim. No. Okay, let's go back na. Because it's hot. Go down.
Mama?
Yes, you want tutu? She wants tutu. Here. Okay, daan na si Mia.
Зайчик, no.
Ako naman at ang kapatid ko ang magkayak. Around the lagoon.
I'm cold.
Yuri, you stay with Papa here and baby sis. We have to go now because I think the kids are already sleepy, especially the girl.
Okay. Picture and video.
Hi, Bisis! Bisis, bye-bye! Hi! Sleepy na ang baby girl. Okay. Asan pa daw? Tuyok ta dito, anak. Diri ta matuyok ko na. Anak ta diri. Dito ta, Agi. First. Okay, let's go! Kayaking. 500 pesos ang kayaking nila sa double na kayak. 500 pesos good for 1 hour. Yung single kayak nila is 300 pesos. Also good for 1 hour.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Mama.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Lalalala. Nabangga na! Nabangga kami. Hindi marunong ang aking taga-paddle dito. Hindi marunong mag-paddle. First time namin mag-try sa kanilang kayaking. Actually, maganda. Pag chill, exercise. Chill lang dito. Pero mas maganda mag-kayaking dito pag early in the morning siguro guys. Hindi pa mainit. Ngayon medyo mainit na. Pero kung gusto nyo naman mag-patan, ay walang problema. Ang ganda talaga ng lagoon. Ang ganda ng view na. Na-remember ko siya para siyang sa para siyang sa Suhuton Cove. Or Sugba Lagoon para siyang Sugba Lagoon sa Siargao. Nakapunta din kami ng Siargao. Ganito din ang view ng Sugba Lagoon. Ganito din. Para talaga siyang Sugba Lagoon dito. Ang ganda dito kasi walang masyadong turista. Sa Sugba Lagoon, punong-puno. Laging puno. Hindi pa masyadong develop ang Sipalay guys. Wala pa masyadong mga kainan, mga cafes, mga hotel. Wala pa masyado. Hindi pa talaga siya develop. Siguro pag nag-develop to, ngayon mura lang dito yung mga seafood. Mga pagkain nila mura lang. Affordable lang talaga. Pero pag nag-develop na to, for sure, magiging mahal na. Sobrang mahal na. Para nang sa Siargao, sa Siquijor, Panglao, Bohol. Dito, chill pa talaga. Wala masyadong turista. Mga seafood dito, mura pa. Sobrang mura pa. Tapos ang lalaki pa ng servings nila. Mag-order ka dito ng one grilled anong tawag doon? Grilled tuna or yung blue marlin. Mura pa, nasa 300 pesos pa. Sobrang malaki yung pagkahiwa tapos makapal. Ang sarap pa ng pagkaluto nila sa grill nila dito. Maganda dito mag seafood feast. Hindi nga kami nakapag-order ng seafood dito. Mag-order sana kami ng seafood platter kanina kasi sobrang aga pa. Maaga pa. Breakfast parang. Yan, we're done. Na-enjoy naman? Did you enjoy? Kayaking? It was hot but enjoyable. So let's go na kasi ang init, parang nabilad ako talaga.
Бухта. For saying goodbye. О, это волшебство. Супер мягкое они сделали. Смотрите. Yuri, you want to try fish?
We arrived guys sa aming bagong hotel, room dito sa isang resort sa Hinubaan. Ito yung favorite namin na resort. I really like this resort. Ala, our money is all over the floor. Oh my gosh, Mia. It's all over the floor. Grabe, napaka-spacious talaga dito. Meron kaming dalawang king-size bed. Can you believe that? King-size, dalawa. And meron pa ditong extra bed. And malapit lang kami sa pool this time. Last time kasi doon kami sa second floor nila. I think mas malaki ang room namin ngayon this time. Almost same. But it's really beautiful here. This is why I love this resort. This is my favorite resort. Ito yung pinaka-the best na room na nastihan ko sa mga travels namin dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi napakalaki talaga ng space. Very spacious talaga siya. Yun yung talagang number one na gusto ko dito. Spacious talaga. Pati bathroom nila. At napakalinis pa. As in, worth it talaga dito guys. Kung gusto nyo magpunta, magbakasyon dito. And may beach pa sila, may swimming pool. Napaka-spacious talaga. And ang bango, napakalinis. Talagang malinis. Yung price nila almost the same nung na-stayhan namin sa Siquijor. Sa Infinity Heights ba yun? Pareho lang ang presyo pero doon isang bed, queen size bed lang, ang maliit ang room. Pero Siquijor yun, pero ito talaga mas maganda dito. Wala pang masyadong turista, very quiet, peaceful, and may dalawang swimming pool, may beach. Nako kayo no? Wala mong ganahan dire. This is why I love this resort. Because their room is really big, so spacious. Mga nasa 40 square meters siguro to. Malaki ang TV oh. Almost like our TV. The TV is also Samsung. I think it's the same as our TV. Same size. A little bit smaller. This is, di ba? Spacious kayo no? Hasta ang bathroom, murag pwede ka matulog dire. This is my favorite here in Hinubaan. This is Nabulao Beach Resort. Punta na kayo dito. Hindi ako bayad ha, hindi to paid advertisement ha. Gusto ko lang talaga ang lugar. Highly recommended. Alright, let's go swim na. Ready to swim? It's a perfect time to swim now. Yes? Mia, let's go swimming. Magsi-swimming na sila. Nauna na sila dito si Dimitri at saka si Yuri. Oh, big boy na. The last time we've been here, he couldn't stand here. Woo! Can you get this girl? She's so excited. Ah, girl, mahulog. Mahulog ka kanyo. She's so excited. Jump. Wow, what a brave girl. Jump. She ran away. Go, jump. Babe, lo. Uy, ayaw dira sa lalo. Round and round, round and round. Oh, there's a lot.
Titras piskom sige.
Let's go na, baby. Enough na, enough. Ayaw na niyang pumunta sa kwarto namin. Oh, gusto niya dito sa Gusto na lang niya dito sa buhangin, sa beach. Let's go na. Later again or tomorrow.
Sitting here where the sun sets low, golden rays painting skies aglow. Memories float like wisps of smoke, whispering tales from days ago.
Ayan, na-wake up na ang baby girl. Kain na tayo ng dinner, guys. Nakapag-order na si Dimitri. Ayan ang sisig, pork sisig. And this is kansi. Kansi or kansi?
Kansi.
Very long. I saw a frog daw. Sabi niya maraming frog. Kasi walang frog. Na-amaze si Yuri sa frog kasi walang frog doon sa amin. Oh, wow, yeah. Small ones. You know in my hometown, Kuya, you know in my hometown where I grew up, we have a lot of frogs there. Giant frogs. And we always play with frogs before when we were kids. Mia is also so excited. Wow, parang...
Go deep and go faster in the...
Yeah. Are you happy? Papa taught you how to swim today?
And make bubbles.
To swim with different styles. What's that called? Is that called styles?
You want to see next time?
Yeah, I want to see it tomorrow. I want to see how you swim. Can you do butterfly stroke, backstroke, floating? Alright, time to sleep. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone! Magandang umaga. Ayan si Mia, nakakuha na ng isda. Show your fish. Show your fish. Meron siyang isda. Ayaw na niyang bitawan ang kanyang isda. You caught this, Mia? Mia is a fisher woman. Nakakuha siya ng isda. You caught this? Can you kiss the fish? Kiss the fish! Good morning guys. Ayan. Napakalinis, napakalinaw ng tubig na. Kahapon marumi. Pero ngayon, ayan, tingnan nyo. Parang ang sarap tuloy maligo. Napakalinaw and kalmado. Wow. Ang ganda. Ano to? Nabulaw Beach dito sa Hinubaan. Ayan yung resort na iniistihan namin. Super peaceful. Wala talagang ibang tao dito. Parang nirent namin ang buong resort. May isang guest kagabi. Nakita ko yung isang guest nag-dinner din. Yan si Yuri. Si Dimitri nagpalipad ng drone. Ang breakfast pala namin is kasama na sa binayaran namin. Ano dito? 5,000 pesos per night or more yung nabayaran namin. Yan, ang ganda. Yung kapatid ko pala, nag-add kami ng 900 pesos para sa kanya. Kasi yung nabook namin sa Agoda is 2 adult lang. Kasi hindi kami makabook ng 3 adult doon sa site nila. So nag-add lang kami dito ng 1 adult and 950 pesos pero kasama na yung breakfast.
Mama,
Oh, look, that's a jellyfish. Wow, ang daming. Here is sandy, ah. Maganda dito, mas sandy dito. Doon mabato, dito mas sandy. Yung sand nila dito, very fine, pero hindi puti. Ano siya, may pagka brown. Walking lang sana kami, pero ayan mga bata. Hindi ba pigilan? Naligo na. Yuri, show us your swimming skills. What did you learn yesterday? You said you will show me.
not here.
It's okay here.
What is it? Papa only teach me how to do
In the pool? It's okay here. You can swim everywhere. If you already know how to swim, then you can swim everywhere. Whether it's a pool or at the beach. Breakfast time. The sun is out. It's kind of hot already here. American breakfast for the Russian guy. They don't have Russian breakfast here. It's yummy. What do you want, girl? Tuto! No, Tuto. Let's go swim. Mag-swimming kami before we check out. Mag-check out na kami ngayon, guys. Uuwi na kami ngayon. End of vacation! Oh, that was quick. Lo! Nanguha ng Tuto. So, let's go swimming!
Час дня, горячий поезд.
Yan, dito kami nakahanap ng makakainan along the road. Dito sa, ano to? Bayawan.
Мороженое.
Order kami ng grilled chicken, halo-halo. Si Dimitri nagkape na kahit mainit. Nagkape siya ng native coffee from Canlaon. Kahit mainit, nagkape siya. Dito.
It's
Sobrang
actually
napakainit dito.
the same if you are eating ice cream in Russia in winter.
Winter. That's funny.
I'm drinking coffee at summer.
Yeah, sa Russia, kahit ano dito, kahit ano doon, winter, nagsusnow sa labas, yung mga tao doon kumakain ng ice cream. Na-shock ako nung nakita ko yun, kumakain sila ng ice cream sa labas. Pero dito sa atin, kahit tanghaling tapat, ang init, nagkakape tayo. So, same lang din. Ayan na, kain na. Nandito yung mga order namin, oh. Pansit, lumpia, tinolang isda,
Мама, я
grilled chicken. This is the Very yummy. It's more yummy when we are very hungry. Yummy. Hungry guys.
Undangan din ako mo. Surprise ano sa with rice for babies.
Yummy.
Wow, halo-halo.
Pink orange.
Excited?
Excuse me.
Halo-halo. Ay, giluwa na. Excited na siya.
Yeah, we're
Back home. We arrived home. Our doggies are waiting for us. We just arrived home. Yan lang ang aming bakasyon. Mia, that was Mia. So excited to touch the ground to walk.